Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So usually here we are cooking, we're cleaning, we're organizing, we're taking care of the family. I make all kinds of videos like that, but today we are taking care of ourselves. So I hope that if anything, this video just, gives you that motivation, a little push to do something for you or take care of yourself. So this is hilarious because all I did was add a couple of self-care items to our Whole Foods grocery order because I just truly needed it. I haven't been feeling good, as you can hear in my voice, and I've just been like run down with all of the mom stuff, and I needed a little self-care day. So first, I am making some tea. I should say self-care night because the kids are already to bed for the evening. The house is already cleaned up and all of that. So the first thing I'm doing is making some tea. I got my tea and my water, and we are headed upstairs to take a bath, but first I have to clean out all of the bath toys. This is a great idea if you have little ones, but they have been loving playing with like the little Easter eggs from the dollar store in the bathtub. They get a kick out of it and they really enjoy it. So first I gotta clean that up, clean the tub, and then fill it up for myself. I also want to say that besides like the self-care portion of this is how and what order I do like my maintenance, I guess, like my teeth whitening and my self-tanning, my conditioning treatments and all of that. So I thought that would be interesting for you to see. I like seeing how other people take care of themselves as well to get new ideas. So I'm also going to pin a comment down below for video requests, and it would mean the world to me if you could go ahead and comment and let me know of what videos you'd like to see from me coming up in April. So here I just have like a chunk of Epsom salts, and this is how I put my essential oils in my bathtub. I'll just put a couple of drops of lavender and peace of calming, and then a lot more Epsom salts because I am sore. I had to get that temperature just right because if it's not burning my skin off, I don't want it. Who else is like that? My showers and my baths have to be super hot. So step one, we are going to take our makeup off. I'm just using those Neutrogena makeup wipes and getting all of my makeup off. Excuse my dark circles, but when you can't breathe through your nose, it's really hard to sleep at night. Chris even told me that I've been snoring lately, so that's super hot. Anyway, I'm washing my face now. I really thought I was charging this, but it was dead, so I had to just do my own little circles. I guess it wasn't like plugged into the right plug, so yeah. Scrubbing my face. I like to do this at least once a day. It feels really good, and I feel like it's a light enough exfoliator to just like get the dead skin off and any other stuff that you have on your face from the day. So washing my face. Also, let me tell you the story about my nails. So, I had like long pink nails. Love them. My girl went away for a month and I was supposed to go see somebody else, and then I called. They didn't have an appointment when I needed it, and my nails I had like 2 broken nails that I cannot handle. If like a nail falls off or a nail is broken, they're all coming off. That's just how I am. So I sat there and took all of my nails off because I had to film and I didn't want to go to like a new place and I couldn't film with broken nails. So instead, I decided to rip them off, and now like all of my nails are so broken and in like so much pain. I just had dip on my real nails, but I've been doing it for like ever. So they're in pretty bad shape. So basically right now I'm just trying to make them be okay until I can have them be long enough to get dip on them again, but they're just like a broken hot mess. Anyway, we're out of the bath and I'm applying a hair mask. You can rinse this out in the shower, whatever you want to do, but I'm leaving mine in overnight. Alright, also while we're here, let's talk about, have you been sick nonstop this winter as well, or just me? So Chris got sick first, and then the kids were sick, and then I got it. But when they get sick, they get coughs. I never get coughs. It just all stays like in my head and my nose, and it's the worst because I can't breathe or taste or smell, and it's horrible. And it lasts like a week of this. Like every time they get sick and I get sick, but nobody else gets congested like me. I don't know if anybody else is like this. I know my mom is like this. She's had like sinus surgery, but she said it did nothing for her. I'm here for all of the tips because I feel like I've tried everything. I have like a steamer for my face that I use. I've tried every different kind of tea, oil of oregano, you name it. I've tried it and I'm so sick of it. So you guys know I love like my lip sleep mask. There's like the Laneige or Laneige brand, I forget how it's called. But I found this one on Thrive Market. It's a little bit cleaner ingredients and I really like it. So I'm using that. And then I'm applying my face tan. I'm using like a little makeup sponge because I don't want to get it on my hands. So that's normally how I do it. And then I didn't put anything on my face. Usually if my face is really dry, I'll use like a little bit of like a face lotion first. Just so it doesn't like seep into certain dry spots. But since I use that face mask, my face is nice and moisturized. So I have my husband filming me. Obviously, he must have enjoyed this, right? No, I'm just kidding. But he was like, at this point, he was like, gosh, how much stuff do girls have to go through? And I'm like, it's fun though. I like doing this kind of stuff. Do you guys like to pamper yourselves and do all of these things? I like to when I have time and I don't feel like it's like a forced type thing. Okay, so now I'm whitening my teeth. I know a lot of people will go through and like do the whitening system for like a week in a row. I don't do that because it makes my teeth too sensitive and I like to just like do like little touch-ups here and there. So somebody told me a top secret that this is what they used at their dental office that they worked at. So I got it from Amazon. They're expensive, but they really, really work. Anyway, so I have that on for about 15 minutes, as you can see here, and I am applying the rest of the Sunless Tanner to my body. So finally, it is time for my little beat up nails. I'm looking at them right now as I do this voiceover, and they are not cute, but they are better than they were before. So definitely looking forward to getting my nails done again, even though I hate going to the nail salon because I'm not good at sitting still. I like getting pedicures because I'll just like read my Kindle or whatever, but getting my fingernails done, I try to read like while she's doing my fingernails too, and it's always just funny to watch. I know, first world problems, complaining about getting your nails done, it's just not my favorite. I'm just applying a second coat, and then I'm going to apply my top coat, and then we will be done with this portion of our self-care. Okay, who else is obsessed with their heating pad? Is it just me because I'm 34? I don't know, because I've loved heating pads my entire life, but this one is so cute. I'm going to have everything from today's video linked in my description box down below from Amazon. I love it, and it's a great size. So putting my heating pad on, putting this blanket down so I don't get sunless tanner on my bed, and then I'm going to go ahead and put some essential oils in the diffuser and show you how I do my braid dump. This is just being like completely honest. Yesterday, I felt like I couldn't think straight. Like I had so much to do, and I just like pretty much shut down, and I feel lost. Like I don't even know what is going on with my life. So a braid dump is like the best way to get out of that funk and stop that overwhelm, kind of write everything down and prioritize what has to be done and when. So you know I've been doing braid dumps for as long as I can remember, but it's just really helpful for people that have like ADD or get overwhelmed and shut down, or just feel like you have so much on your mind but you can't even like pinpoint what you need to do. There's lots of ways to do this. So for me, I don't always do it this way, but there's just a lot of random things going on this week, so I wanted to do like a little week day side over here, and I'm not doing Monday because it's Monday evening when I'm filming this, so the day is already over. Doing Tuesday through Sunday for this, and then I'm just going to write down like the key things for each day, which will help me just like know what's going on with life and what I need to do. And then on the braid dump section, I'll show you in a second here, but I usually do like life, work, shopping, chores, miscellaneous, to do, whatever. So I like to do my categories first and then braid dump in each category. Some people, this might work better for you, is if you just have a blank piece of paper and just start writing things down that come to mind, and then you can organize it afterwards. But this helps me to have like the categories and go from there. I've always loved a good legal pad. I need to order some more. They come in like a big pack from Amazon, and there was like a pink and blue and purple, I believe. And then, of course, there's white. But the kids are in love with drawing and stuff, so it's definitely harder to keep paper around here. They'll take any paper they can get. They like steal all my printer paper too. And of course, I buy them drawing pads and drawing paper, but we run through that so fast. So anyway, I'll have like my markers and all that kind of stuff linked under this video's. I'm gonna make like a little pamper night routine category in my Amazon storefront, so you can find everything there. Talk about some of the things on this list. I have jury duty tomorrow. I hope it gets canceled, but I've never done jury duty before. I tried to get out of it, but they said that I had to do it. So hopefully I'm not selected. I have no idea what to expect, and I'm so bad at like things that are new or like that I don't know, especially because it's like really early in the morning. So yeah, let's hope I get out of it. If not, pray for me. I don't know what to expect. If you've had jury duty before, what is it like? And then also writing down here, I had a gyno appointment yesterday, and I was supposed to have a mammogram a while ago, but then it wound up being on the same day as my daughter's Christmas program, so I had to cancel it, and now I need to make another appointment. The gyno said she doesn't think it's anything to worry about. She thinks it probably is fibrocystic breast, but obviously if you feel like a little lump in your boob, you have to get it looked at. So mammogram, and she said they'll probably do an ultrasound, but I'm not really worried about it. I'd rather have that peace of mind just to get it done with. But anyway, that's a reminder to get your pap smear, and if you need a mammogram, go get your mammogram. Oh, here's my list so far. I didn't write down my work because it's top secret until you guys see what comes out. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And again, thanks for being here. Don't forget to submit your video requests down below.